Okay, I just pulled this dryer off the refrigeration system, and I want to cut it open and show you what's inside. This is a filter dryer. It's also called a liquid line dryer, and it's designed to absorb any moisture in the refrigeration system, in the liquid, in the refrigerant. So let's see. Normally there's small silica gel beads in here. Let me get a hacksaw. All right, almost through. Okay, I can bend it open now. This thing's still hot. Let me get my gloves. Okay, so here it is. I'm going to open this up. See all those little balls? That's silica gel. And this is the same kind of material. And there's a little screen in here too, by the way, because you don't want it to clog up the cap tube. A little story about the silica gel is this is the same stuff in those little packets you get in your vitamin bottles. And to repurpose it, I take them out of the vitamin bottles when I'm finished, and I put them in my salt shakers. And that keeps the salt from congealing together. That's just a little tidbit of information. Give me out in the sun. Look how thick that tubing is compared to the stuff they have today. Now, the stuff they have today, they say has better thermal qualities. But man, that dryer you could probably run over with a car and not squash it. Today, the stuff they're using, forget about it. Anyway, here we are working on this Trolson, and I'm rebuilding it for the customer, in case you don't know. I just picked up this BI-36. I've already done this wine cooler, and I have a GE monogram over there that has an evaporator leak. And normally I wouldn't be interested in this, but I think somebody out there would like to know how to do that, because I'm starting to run into these now more. And I think, considering the economic climate, I think these refrigerators are going to be stretched out. So there's going to be a need for service companies and companies that restore them. Because if you take this Trolson, you think this is just a filter dryer that's kind of overbuilt. This is a Trolson that I just use as a fireproof cabinet. It's got all the parts. It's original. Here's another one I'm restoring for a customer. Let me tell you, these refrigerators are rare if you can find them and restore them, because there's money in it. And people will pay to have a beautiful machine like that. This refrigerator is 38 years old, and the customer wants to restore it. So I'm doing the best I can, and we're getting somewhere. Some new compressors and things like that, but I'm also doing some other work. So you can stay tuned to my channel, and we will continue on.